How to play golf. Hey friends, does the game of golf frustrate you? It seems too complicated to understand the rules of golf. If I tell you there's a process of building a lifelong love of golf, I promise you, if you watch this complete video on how to play golf, you'll be able to play and understand the game of golf rules like a pro. So let's first understand what every beginner should know before they enter onto a golf course. The object of golf. The object of the game is to get your ball from the starting point, or tee, to the green into the hole. The hole is marked by a flag. The idea being you have to get your ball into the hole in as few shots as possible. Hole is not only the physical hole, but also refers to the entire area from the tee to the green, where the physical hole is. So what do you need to play golf? Golf balls, golf clubs, wooden tees, gloves, and a golf bag. Now let's understand which golf club to use for which shot. Driver club. Its goal is to get the ball as far as possible towards the green. Hybrid club. Getting shots of 150 yards plus airborne. 2 to 9 iron. Hitting towards the green, usually from 120 to 190 yards away. Use the low numbered irons for longer shots, higher number irons for shorter shots. Wedges. Hitting short, high shots from near the green or from sand bunkers. Putter. Rolling the ball into the hole after it's on the green, or occasionally from just off the green. Golf rules. To enjoy a game of golf entirely, you must know the rules of golf. The ball must be hit using standard clubs from the start of each hole to the green and ultimately into the hole, which is marked by the flag. Players strike the ball in turn, with the furthest away from the hole going first. At the start of a new hole, whoever took the least shots on the preceding hole shall go first. The penalty for a lost ball is 1 stroke, and this includes balls struck out of bounds or into water hazards. You have 5 minutes to search for your ball, and the penalty is both stroke, 1 shot, if the ball is lost, and additionally distance. You play again from your original starting position if it goes out of bounds or into the water. Players can use up to only 14 clubs. Players cannot seek advice from anyone other than their partner or caddy. The ball should be played as it is found. You must not move, break, or bend anything fixed or growing, other than to assume your normal stance to improve the lie of your ball, your line of sight, or your area of swing. On the putting green, a player can mark, lift, and clean his ball so long as it is replaced exactly where it was. Players may also repair ball marks or hole plugs, but not spike marks that are on the putting line. Golf scoring term. Golf has its own language. Ace means hole in one. Par means the predetermined number of strokes that a scratch golfer should require to complete a hole. Birdie means 1 stroke under par on a hole. Bogey means 1 stroke over par on a hole. Double bogey means 2 strokes over par on a hole. Eagle means 2 strokes under par on a hole. Albatross or double eagle means 3 strokes under par on a hole. How to win golf. Most pro events use the stroke play system. Events are held over 4 days, and the winner is the player who completes 72 holes, 4 rounds of 18, in the fewest number of shots. We hope you learned golf rules, and now you know how to play golf properly. If you like the video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.